Hi, I'm Todd.
And I'm Jeremy. We're with Chaos Motorsports.
Today we are installing our muffler delete kit on this Jeep.
This is a JKU Jeep. So this is going to fit 2007 to 2017.
Right on.
All it comes with is delete pipe, a couple relief cuts right there, and one clamp. So it's pretty easy to switch them out. The only tools you'll need is a wrench of some sort, a 14 millimeter and a 15 millimeter, and we highly recommend these hanger pliers. Makes the job much easier.
And some WD-40.
Yes, WD-40 can help you out. WD-40, we're waiting on that swag from you. We mention it in every video. Hook us up. All right, I think we're about ready to get started. Are you about ready, Todd?
I'm ready.
All right. Pretty straightforward on removing the muffler. There's only two hangers holding it on. There's one right tucked up underneath there. Got another one right over here. If you notice, we put WD-40 on both of them, and we put some WD-40 on the clamp as well. So we're going to take off the clamp first. Now that's pretty tight. Now the clamp, this clamp is welded to this part of the pipe, so it's going to stay with the muffler. So don't be freaking out if it's not coming off. You just got to make sure that it's loose, so that we'll be able to pull that off.
Next we've got our handy little hanger pliers. Almost. They're gonna make a liar out of me. There's that one. Oh boy. Here's number two. Swing that out of the way. A little bit of twisting, a little bit of wiggling. Yeah.
You know, then it just comes right off, you know?
There we go.
There it comes.
A little bit of condensation dripping on Jeremy there. That was a nice bonus. Yeah, just like butter.
Yeah, boom, bada bing.
Now we do not need this rubber hanger over here, so we're going to take this one off. Hopefully. I probably spoke too soon. I did. All right, let's try again. 2 strikes and you're out. You know how that goes. Or is it 3? Boy, I tell you, this does not want to come off today. Who knew that this would be the worst part of the whole project?
Now, if you want, you can leave that on there, because the great thing about this is it's easily to swap back and forth to the muffler. So I know some people don't like a little bit louder vehicles. You don't want to know what we really think about them. But so if you wanted to use it for off-road, switch out, get rid of the muffler, put the pipe on, and then when you're driving home, you can easily switch it out in the parking lot.
Going for a long trip, now we switch the muffler back on.
Yep.
We're gonna wipe off a little bit of dirt on there. Jeremy is getting our delete pipe ready.
All right, now we're all set up to install our replacement pipe, make sure you go ahead and throw the clamp on here first. It makes it a little bit easier. And what we're going to do first is slide the hanger into that, get it in there a little bit, and then bam. Slide that in as far as it'll go. It's as easy as that. All you gotta do is tighten it down. Just switch it. Try to do fingers first, right? All right, there we go.
So we've got our muffler delete installed. You're about 18 pounds lighter, so that'll make you get better mileage and perform better right off the bat.
Yep, you're gonna get improved gas mileage, improved everything, improved happiness.
And it's gonna sound cool.
Yeah, your dog will come to you every time you call its name, like once you install this new pipe onto your Jeep. If you're wondering how to order one, you can go to chaosmotorsports.com. And we have them there all day long. Shortly, we're going to have them available in stainless steel because some people like the stainless version. Make sure that you go ahead and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can check out all our how-to vids and any little tips and tricks. We've got a whole bunch of projects in the works right now, so we should be releasing more videos as we go along. So check us out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Obviously, you know we're on YouTube. Because you're on YouTube. Anything else, Todd?
I think that's it, man. We'll see you guys soon.
All right, thank you.